Making money online can change your life and help you live the life of your dream, but it requires consistency, dedication, and most importantly, skill. Right on your screen is the money made from the online space, $700. So I can guarantee you that you can make same amount of money or even more than because results are not typical. So I urge you to pay rapt attention to this video to know how you can make this money and also implement everything I'm going to show you in this video. So it can work for you if you're a student, you're a stay-at-home parent, or you're someone who is looking for a side hustle to supplement your current paycheck. You're guaranteed to make your first $100 in no distance time. If you're new here, my name is Chidi, and on this channel, I talk all things money. So ensure to join our community by hitting the subscribe button. Ensure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, ring your notification bell so YouTube notifies you whenever I drop valuable content that can help you make money on the online space. One of the best way to start making money online as a student or someone who is looking to supplement your current job is by monetizing your skill. I know you've heard of this before, but I can assure you that that skill that you have can fetch you money on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis. Now the question is, what skill do you have? One of the skill that is in a very high demand now is video editing. You see, many content creators online do not have the time to edit their videos themselves. They search for people online who can help them edit this video and they in turn pay them. Not only that, you can also make a post and advertise it on Facebook or Instagram, telling people that you can teach them how to edit video. Imagine you charging 2K for each person you're going to teach how to edit video, and then you get like 50 persons in 1 week. That's over 100K in 1 week. Digital marketing is another skill that is in high demand. App or website development is another skill that you can acquire to start making money online. The second way you can make money online is something called content creation. One thing I keep telling people around me is that content creation is no longer a big deal, in the sense that even if you don't want to show your face or you don't know how to write script, you can still create content online and make money. You can go on Google and search for how much content creators make on a monthly basis. The results will blow your mind. Some are making $1,000 on a monthly basis, some 500, some 2,000, some 3,000, some $5,000 on a monthly basis for content creators. Now, how do you become a content creator if you don't want to show your face or you don't know how to write scripts? There is a link on the description box that will take you to this interface you have on your screen right now, where it says create video with text prompts. What this AI help you do is that you give it an instruction and it will create a whole video for you. So the first thing you're going to do here is to set up an account, and it's going to bring you to the interface you have on your screen right now. Now we're going to give it a prompt to create a video for us. Say like we'll type create an Instagram reel talking about becoming successful. Let's go ahead and do that. So once we are done typing this, we go ahead and click on generate video. Now it has analyzed it. It is thinking of what topic to give us. Now the success blueprint is the title of this script that it will give us. So here now you look at the audience, look and feel, the platform. If it aligns with what you want, you just click on continue and to start planning the script and generate the script for you. The success blueprint. Now it is planning the scripts. It is generating it. Now it is analyzing, synthesizing the voice. This AI basically will do everything for you. Once it is done, what you're just going to do is to export the video. It is adding media tracks. The network is a bit slow. Maybe from your end, if you're going to try it, it will be a bit faster. Now the scene is ready. So all we're just going to do here is to just, play it.
Begin with a dream, the seed of success. Picture it, nurture it, let it take root in your mind. It's not about the destination, but the journey. The countless hours of dedication, the trials and tribulations, the failures and triumphs. Success is not a straight line, it's a complex path of ups and downs, twists and turns. It's about perseverance, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. Remember, every setback is a setup for a greater comeback. Every failure is a lesson learned, a stepping stone to your success. Success is not handed to you, it's earned. It's built on a foundation of hard work, determination, and a burning desire to achieve your dreams. So dream big, work hard, and never give up. Because the only thing standing between you and your success is you. End of the day, success is not just about achieving your goals, it's about the person you become in the process. So are you ready to embark on your journey to success?
So this is it, guys. So if you don't love the scene you're seeing on your video, you can just go down below. You can see regenerate. You just click on it and it will, regenerate the video for you. So once you're done doing all of that, you just click on export and this video will be exported. Now this video has a watermark that you can choose to remove just by clicking on no watermarks, and you end up removing the watermark and you're done with that already. You can also set up your camera and record your video yourself by showing people your face as well. So if you're interested in becoming a content creator and you need a guide, this video right here will help you choose a niche with high CPM. You can go check it out. The third way to make money online is called freelancing. There are websites you can set up a gig and start freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr can help you in that regard. Now, when you come on Fiverr, you'll see that there are a lot of things you can sell on Fiverr. From graphic design, programming, digital marketing, video and animation, writing and translation. So in freelancing, there are things that requires low level of skill and there are things that require high level of skill. So we're going to talk about those things that requires low level skills, like commenting on blogs, liking videos and the likes. So we're going to come up here and type commenting on blogs. You tend to see that these guys here are making money for themselves. You can see that they are making $5, $10 just for commenting on people's blogs, whether on Instagram, on Facebook, or Twitter and the likes. So you can set up a gig and start making money from Fiverr. You can also do that on Upwork, and you will definitely make money from it. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you got value. Do like and leave your comments below. Until my next video, have a great time.